Hello, everyone. This lesson is titled The Industrial Age Inventors and Inventions. The essential question: how did the inventors and their inventions change life in the United States during the Industrial Age? To start this lesson, I want us to create a sort of a scenario. Consider this. Imagine a world without smart technology. That means no cell phones, tablets, computers, nothing. It doesn't exist. I think everyone would agree. Many people who live in the society A, as we live in, would say that this would be their reaction. If that is your reaction, consider that world. And I would like you to express how you would feel about living in such a world. The question: can we adapt to an existence without smartphones or smart technology in general? Now, generally, when I have these discussions, somebody always asks, does that mean that it never existed at all and we didn't know about it, or it existed and somehow it just got wiped out? I'll leave that scenario up to you. Imagine a world where it never existed, or it did exist and for whatever reason, we no longer can use it. Either way, I want you to express your response here. Okay? I want you to please provide in your response below what would be like, what would be some of the difficulties of adapting to such a change? Would you in fact be able to adapt yourself? And what would you miss in terms of technology in our society A? Okay? So you're going to provide a response and then we're going to do a share out. After we do that, we're going to go on to the reading material relating to this topic, and the reading material is here. This is the context. I'm going to do this reading part for you. The inventors and inventions that changed society. From the earliest stone tools of the Paleolithic era, and you could click on this link to see what is the Paleolithic era. You should remember that for the sixth grade. To the latest digital advances, human beings have created new inventions and technologies that have shaped civilizations and transformed life on Earth. Humankind's ability to innovate was particularly apparent during the Industrial Revolution of the 18th and 19th centuries, which ushered in significant developments in mass production, transportation, industry, and communication. These sweeping changes paved the way for the technological leaps and bounds of the 20th and 21st centuries. The world of invention is never static. The world of invention is never static. That means it never stays the same. It's forever improving. Expectations and capabilities evolve with every step forward, and each new generation boasts its own set of innovative thinkers. Here are a few of the key industrial working methods that have changed our society. And this is some of the processes that change our society. First, have the Bessemer process. This was the process that was used to take out the impurities in metals and to create, basically, begin the process of creating steel. And once steel was created, you were able to create bigger, taller buildings and really expand the infrastructure of a city. This also helped with the process of urbanization, which is another lesson. We have the assembly line. This was the process in which you developed ways of manufacturing. Okay? Basically, what you did was you put all parts of a factory in which each person worked a specific area, thus making it easier to create whatever device or object you wish to create. This was the assembly line. A particular inventor during that time, Henry Ford, really used the assembly line to help create affordable cars. Mass production. With the assembly line, you're able to mass produce any products that you are creating within your factory. Now, the next part of this activity, you're going to analyze the set of videos. You're going to read the description material information about key inventors during the industrial age, and then you're going to complete a fact organizer chart, which we'll talk about. Okay? So, on your own now, you're going to read the information about the inventors. You're going to look at the videos on slide 14 and 15, and you're going to use this information to help with the next part of the activity, but that's going to be another video. Make sure that you complete the responses in the notes right next to each inventor. So, for example, as you learn about Thomas Edison, you're going to talk about what invention is this person connected with. You're going to do it for each of the slides. All right? Thank you very much.